In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase font size on Facebook Messenger app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, so first off we need to open up settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center. That's where we need to ensure that text size shortcut is added to included controls. If it is not, if it looks something like that, just scroll down until you find text size here in that list and then tap at this plus sign next to it, and it will be immediately added to the included controls. After that, we can hop out settings, and then if we open up Facebook Messenger app, we'll be able to change its font size by opening up Control Center. To open up Control Center, just swipe down from the top right corner. That's where we can easily find this text size shortcut. If we tap on it, we'll be able to change font size for all the apps and for Messenger only. I'm gonna select Messenger only. It says 100% here, which is default. However, we can drag it up or down to change text size for the Messenger app. Now, as you can see, text size on the entire app is highly increased, and we can easily change it in the same way. Just drag it up or down until you find the best size for you that makes you easier to read the text. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.